Sparks panic here like a thieving light.
Yeah.
Messi check him in pan a evening flight.
Yeah.
We get the teeth them pan a thieving price.
Yeah, that's what I say. Sparks panic here like a thieving light. Bomba clock.
Reaction.
Boom! What's the word YouTube? Mr. Boy TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction boss! Back in the paper to the video, I get word that song from Govana. I almost said massacre. Sorry, man, sorry. Anyways, song is called System, official music video. I haven't done a Govana reaction since. I ain't gonna lie, it's been like a year since I've done a Govana reaction. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, you feel me? I think the last time I went from Govana, I think I wanted the convo them. You know the convo, what? I can't find them, yeah. I think I know him at dinner crazy night. That's a long time without Govana reaction. It's a mess up. I get straight to the video right now. This is a mess. I want to go Govana video, them I know. But you know if you change or not, but it might have the story. The story I was, you know, the story I was telling them video them. You see me, I said the music and the story, iconic. You see me, and I like some of that time I cover the music with the dog and it had nothing to do with the song. Nothing at all to do with the song, you see me? So I go see what I'm going for that one. It dropped like an hour ago. You see me, so the rest of the job. So you know, I'm active over here. So like the video, comment and subscribe to the channel if you are new over here. We're trying to reach 20k subscribers. So please smash the subscribe button in the face. You see me, so like the video so we get recommends to more people. That's how we go grow. Then we chop already, man. Go see what Govana doing, man. System, run it.
What's the latest to the situation?
It's not looking good.
What you mean?
The day is not even off.
That's spooky music. Big up myself, spooky music. You see me, I say. Alright, then I like equality. That's what I say. Proper business system. We sang him system, and guess what? No matter what system already. You see me, I say. Go on, no man.
Complete deal. He seems to have a solid case. Someone's talking.
So true.
Basically, master somebody has stitched up. Basically, somebody has stitched up. Our stitches get over. What stitches do? Them get stitches. What she has say?
Come in.
What needs to be done, as your attorney, I can't recommend. But if those witnesses show up, I'd be seriously concerned.
You just say it. You just say it. She said as the attorney, ha! As the attorney, she can't tell if you gonna kill the man them. But if they show up, at court, you lose. That's tough. But that's what she have to say. Mama.
Bad blood run through everybody.
Yeah.
Some of us my gun through anybody. Don't waste a guess of that.
I saw him bad. I don't know, Jamaica this or Jamaica?
Everybody. Yeah. Some of us my gun through anybody.
The dog say, yo, blood run through everybody, you know. Get that through no head, you know. You see me, I say, you know what? You see, because blood run through everybody. If me busting gun through any bumbo clap body. You see me, I say, what else?
Anybody. Don't waste a guess of that them tell the cabby.
Yeah.
Man, murder pussy and bury body. Some boy have dead now that me tell your mommy.
You hear that? Look what calls community. We not miss nothing. Look what the dog say.
Man.
I think with that, don't waste a gas.
My gun through anybody.
Yeah.
Don't waste a guess of that them tell the cabby.
The cabby said, don't waste a gas because guess what it's gonna go on. Listen where it's gonna go on. Talk to them, go for it, talk to them.
Man, murder pussy and bury body. Some boy have
murder pussy and him bury body. How about him body now? Go for it now. We're saying now, Mr. Fuck around.
if you dead now that me tell your mommy.
Yeah.
Daddy tell me when me have it, not fi tell nobody.
Yeah.
17 Gen 5 full of venom on it.
Hola there. Hola, what's my lighter there? What's my lighter there? What's my gun there? Jan was star. I forgot to find it back. But man tell mommy say, yo, some pussy after that him tell him mother. You see me I say, I'm supposed to understand so the business go. You see me I feel just angle the matters. Talk it
Girl left your bonnet with the gel up on it.
What?
A pussy like you should have celematic. Homestead badness 365. Boom.
Me not lie, me is a big man right now. I'm afraid of dog see me. I'm afraid of dog from me a pitney and walk gas school and I'm still afraid of dog. But me no explain about way today.
Pussy like you should venom on it. Shell a girl left your bonnet with the gel up on it.
Oh, shall I care left your bonnet with a gel up on it? I think, oh gosh, wanna get it? Wanna get it? Simple and got you ready with you. Go on, Govana, go on!
A pussy like you should have celematic. Homestead badness 365.
Big up Homestead, but guess what I say? A pussy like you should have celematic. Like what you really are doing with gun? You don't deserve for have a gun. You don't do nothing with it. You pose with it. You double six or double blank. You pose with it.
Boom them up, fireball T65.
Yeah.
The little Glock 21 neat in size.
Yeah.
Believe me, it have a beast inside.
You hear that? You hear that? The little Glock, well, the Glock 40, yeah, well, happen right now still. When I like it 21, it's too small. You know me I say, but it neat. Put it in your pocket and walk around. You might even know say average pan. You see me I say, if you know about going, you probably know what I talk about. But, you see me I say, neat. You see me? Not even as big as my hand right now. You see me I say, just tuck away. You can go anywhere with it 1 and 2 times. Yeah. Easy shelling. Start it out.
Sparks panic like a thieving light.
Yeah.
Messi check him in pan a evening flight.
Yeah.
Me get the teeth them pan a thieving price.
You hear that I say? Sparks panic like a thief in light. Bomba clap. Do they get it? Oh, do I get it? Govana! Go on!
No boy no bigger than the system.
Yeah!
No boy no better than my 15.
Yeah!
For
White boy badness too. Let her go ahead.
no bigger than the system. No boy no better than my 15.
What? Oh, woman. I should think about general a while ago. I'm sure I'll point to that pragmatics and say, yeah, well, like one there nice. When I can bust to jelly. But straight things I do, go on.
40 a rev like a engine. Bullet man fire in a windscreen.
You hear that? No board no bigger than his system. He ask a bullet in fire. He said, shell the kernel for jelly on the bonnet. That the dog say. But if you bullet in a windscreen, you better get bulletproof glass. And that now help you to them roll you forward right now.
I want talk another. One done. Bad man other. No wrong bang.
Not at all.
Heart and money fight war bad man.
You hear that? Heart and money fight war. Hey, me tell you, listen to that. You can't be the baddest man in the world now, but a year alone, you think you alone can kill everybody? Money talk and bullshit walk. Heart and money. Could you say that I got for people? What about the song so far? Go on.
Killer life, murder boy, 1-1.
Burn down house and cut off head.
Hold on. Burn down house. Cut off head. But you say dog say, he murdered him. What's what I say? 1-1.
Life, murder boy, 1-1.
Time money fight war bad man.
Killer life, murder boy, 1-1.
Killer life. He murdered the boy them 1 by 1. Make you watch it.
Burn down house and cut off head.
Yeah.
Your Granville, you know I got to spend.
Yeah.
Turn on right.
And the dad them so I switch that system, you know. And then I say, because I tell you the same story, I go tell you in the video too, you know. I never really pay attention to the video, my attention to the lyrics, but we see what I go on right now, you know. I can see what I go on now, man.
If a man a go cross fence, pussy should I listen off the wall offense. We no bad back on the man, no man strength.
You hear that? If you want bad back on money because you bad back on your dad name, you're not bad man, you're dad a bad man. You're punk. You no bad back on no man's strength. Man say, why you all have ends? You like have strap on ends? Ends, they put all have ends there and that. So them say, take away up in their Gucci shoes. Imagine get it up and flick it at Gucci.
Homestead Babylon, me say no nonsense. Only can't catch a killer in a no conference.
None.
Common sense, tell some man have sense. Bust ahead with the carbon. Me
Easy myself, easy. We gotta talk about some fucker. Like, what about that talk about some fucker? But I brother, you're fat, you're fat. Jesus Christ. But don't like roast people, brother. Why? Why? Go on, talk your talk.
see fatty run go buck up in a tall man.
Yeah.
Hello tipper that a run up in a organ.
Yeah.
Grand spend badness that a shot down.
Sure.
Both
Burn down the house and chop off it. I hope say burn down the house after. Brother, why you paying nails so that? What kind of bad man be dog? What? Oh!
flow jungle a one talk fumble.
One.
A one talk one go. The killer them deadly like Haaland. Stop him with the fat.
Again, hold on.
Badness that a shot down.
Sure.
Both flow jungle a one talk fumble.
Alright. I have to make lyrics some registered and made. I don't want to miss too much. I have to listen to what I'm saying and that. You see me? Talk your talk now, my general. Talk your talk, governor.
One.
A one talk one go. The killer them deadly like Haaland. Stop him with the 40 line, but boom him with a car bomb. No.
More like care about do that John was star. Hold on there. More know the white boy is who? The white one is him up on the other side. Whom they talk to him up on the phone and go in the room. go back a little bit in the video. So it's already there. So
And no man strength. Homestead back.
so who am I talking to on the phone? The white boy, my sister, the white boy on the phone. Okay. Alright then. Me want try see what go on. Go on.
Talk from but
One.
I want talk one go. The killer them deadly like Haaland. Stop him with the 40 line, but boom him with a car bomb.
What is a care about? Me don't know what the fuck is that. Who don't know what it is? But go on.
40 a ref like a engine. Bullet man fire in a windscreen.
Exactly. So I him there snitch too. But my thing is, Mama, now you just say as your attorney, you can't say if you do red. So you do the mass yourself. You do the mass yourself.
I want talk another.
Yeah.
One done. Bad man other. No wrong bang. A heart and money fight war bad man.
Yeah, that.
System by Govana. I like it as me say. It's a bad video. I like it. I like a story too. As I said though, with Govana and video, them see me say the music video always tell what's going on in the audio, in the official audio. You see me say the audio and the video always match up. You see me say big up Govana one time as usual, big up you as you watch the video. You see me say link to the original videos down below in the description. Go watch it if you all don't want to see, me doing all this pausing and talking. But that's how I'm do the thing of myself. For we get to post it with the phone and it don't get black worldwide. You know what I mean? So we have to do it that way the phone. So soon another video. Reaction Boss sign out.